जैसे कि नहीं अपनी मर्जी से आऊँगा वहाँ पर और बहुत अच्छा I've had the great pleasure of acting in film Indian 2 with my dear friend and in my opinion India's best actor Kamal Hassan. Every role that Kamal Hassan plays with tremendous amount of ease, each part different from the other. He's also an actor who can do action scenes so well, he can do comedy so well. Look at Chachi 420. He can do, look at Sadma, the emotion scenes. Look at Sagar Sangam, you know, and also he can dance dance very well. वो कहता ताड़ा ताड़ा in so he's a Kamal Hassan is a wonderful actor and a dear friend. Director Shankar is one of the most passionate director who made this film Indian 2 with tremendous amount of passion. Producer Subhas Karan of Laika, he very aggressively goes out to make a film. Whatever is needed for the film, he's out there to get it. I had wonderful experience. In fact, this morning in the lobby, the conversation was about the song in Indian 2 that's picturized on me and the models. The actress.
Yeah, they may start somewhere. It was very difficult way to reach different places.
You're telling me, or I'm supposed to tell you? Okay. The actress flew from South Africa. She's Miss Universe. The models flew from different country, and the choreographer just left. The choreographer he was mentioning in the morning in the lobby of the hotel to everyone के जो गुलशन जी ने उस गाने में लगे इतने sexy and इतना wonderful and all that in the song, and the location is extraordinary. We shot Indian 2 that part in Bolivia. So to me, to sum it up, working in Indian 2 with Kamal Hassan has been a great experience. Thank you.
Sir, if you have to define star, आज के rate में who is currently use the definition of a superstar in current generation?
Current generation, past generation, future generation, गौर से देख बच्चे, बाकी कौन, पानी कम चाय.
Common. Come, Common.
Something's biting.
Let me ask you, do you like our music? Yes. That's what we want to hear. That's it. I mean, we've had some amazing times, 30 years of partnership, still going strong, and it's a blessing. And when we look back, I think we've created some, okay stuff. Yeah, good.
Are you planning to celebrate this 30 years milestone? And of course, how did you celebrate the Grammy win?
Law is going to do the Tauba step today.
And we're asking for an extension for another 30 years.
No, jokes apart, we're going to be singing some of our popular songs. We've been composing for the last 30 years, so you can't avoid some no-brainers like, Dil Chahta Hai, Kal Ho Na Ho, Bunty Aur Bubbly, Rock On, Tare Zameen Par, and etc., etc., etc.
What song you want to dedicate to each of you want to sing for your friendship?
Dil Chahta Hai, Kabhi Na Beete Chamkile Din. Oh, Dil Chahta Hai, हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन वरागन अधिकर वोरो ओरे उर पारवे भाते पुरावे नीलने सोने करना भाई वोडी मरंजे